This is week 3, worksheet 1 for ELA. We have cheeky chipmunks. I have my name and date at the top. I've already gone through and labeled my paragraphs. I have paragraph 1, paragraph 2, paragraph 3, paragraph 4, and paragraph 5. This should be pretty easy to do. We have a very short article and then 2 questions. That's it. And one of our questions is multiple choice. So I'm going to help you with your question stem on this one, but you should be able to answer these 2 questions all by yourself, and I will read through the questions as well. Question number 1 says, list 3 facts you learned about chipmunks from this article. And question number 2 says, when do chipmunks make a chip chip or chuck chuck sound? When they're happy, when they're eating, when they're lost, or when they're nervous. I'm going to go through and read this once, then you're going to go through and read it once, and then if you still need to read through it, please do so. You may read this as many times as you need to find all the answers. Starting in paragraph 1. Chuck, chuck, chuck. What's that sound? It's coming from an old log. As you search, the sound changes. Chip, chip, chip. Now it's fast and high-pitched. Suddenly there's a rustling of leaves. With lightning speed it zips past. It disappears down a hole. What was it? A chipmunk? Chipmunks live all over the United States and Canada. They are small and have black and white stripes down their backs. They dig long tunnels underground. At the end of the tunnel is a bed of dried leaves and grass. They sleep here all winter long. Chipmunks have cheeks that are big and stretchy so they can carry food on their back to their home. They like to eat nuts, berries, acorns, and seeds. When they get nervous, they make a chuck chuck or a chip chip sound. So remember, we have question 1, list 3 facts you learned about the chipmunks from this article. So you're just going to go through and you're going to underline facts that you found as you read. And then you're going to write them after our sentence stem here. Number 2 says, when do chipmunks make a chip chip or a chuck chuck sound? I believe we just read that, so that one shouldn't be too hard. It's when are they happy, when they're eating, when they're lost, or when they're nervous. So just real fast with our sentence stem for here. List 3 facts you learned about chipmunks from this article. So we're going to do 3 facts I learned about chipmunks from this article. And I know it says list, but we're going to use sentence stems because that's what we're supposed to do. And these will be different. Just because you picked out 3 facts doesn't mean Miss Sloker might pick out the 3 same facts. So whatever you learned from here is what you're going to put in. Maybe you learned what they eat. Maybe you learned where they live. Maybe you learned where they stay. And all of these things can go down here. 3 facts I learned about chipmunks are. And you're just going to tell me. So that should be pretty easy for you to do.